Hey, my flight has been cancelled. I'm at the airport to find any flight to Ireland. Hopefully I can. I don't know. Hey guys, I'm at the airport in London, Heathrow Airport, and I'm flying to Ireland. But you don't know what happened today early morning. When I woke up at 6 a.m, I found that my flight has been cancelled. My flight was London to Cork, but actually my flight has been cancelled and I didn't know exactly what to do. I tried to call, but no answer because apparently the office was closed. And actually I was kind of like still half awake, half asleep, and I was checking that if I can manage my flight and I can change my flight online, but I couldn't because they didn't let me to change the destination, and all of the flight to Cork from today, they were booked, fully booked. Never this happened to me, and I just came to the airport and now is 9:15 and I could manage to change my flight, and I'm flying now to Dublin, and this is the first time I'm flying alone. I used to travel alone before meeting Bruno, but this is the very first time after being with Bruno. And I'm heading to a conference, T-Bex conference, where I'm going to meet a lot of travel bloggers, and I'm so excited. Now I am on the way to Killarney and I got to Dublin, and this is the car I'm traveling with. This is the village we just stopped. This is a beautiful and picturesque village that we stopped to just look at the houses and take a picture. Now it's 2 and still I'm on my way. You were explaining to me that what happened to the pink one?
Yeah. Where you can see underneath the trees you have pink bales of silage and some black bales. Now traditionally silage is grass that's cut to use as winter fodder for the cattle, where they put in the sheds sometime in November. But some lady farmers who are part of the Irish Farmers Union decided to start wrapping them in pink, and the company who make the hay wrap make donations to breast cancer research for it. So it's just it's a novelty thing that's been going for the last 3-4 years. And it's like anything that's raising money for cancer research, it's a good idea.
You can see the pink. Look at this beautiful building, is my hotel, and you can see that one on the top in the middle is my room. Oh god, after a really long journey, finally I arrived. Now it's 3:30. Oh god, from 6 a.m. I woke up, now 3:30 p.m. and I just arrived. Such a long journey. But let's look around. This is my room, and the first thing I should do, just go and wash my face. I didn't eat anything. I just had a croissant in the morning at the airport, and then just get to the conference and register. And look at my view. Last night I slept really well, and I think I am so fresh. I'm late. I should go. I should run. Killarney is so beautiful, and this is what I travel for. Actually, when I see this beautiful river, I completely forget what I've been through, and this is so nice and I love it.
yeah.